Hi guys, it's Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys my monsoon skincare routine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on all my social media. Everything will be down in the description box below. Also press the bell icon for more updates. Body gets really affected due to monsoons. You can have very dull, tired looking skin, different kind of irritations, allergies, dryness, oiliness, and I think that's the reason why I follow two simple products for maintaining my skin during this season, both available on the Foxy app because Foxy has everything from makeup and skincare to hair care at great discounts and offers. So don't forget to download the Foxy app. Basically, the two products that I generally use during this season are firstly a body wash and secondly is a good body lotion. Most of you guys must be using either one of them or both of them, but it is important to choose the right ones for your skin. The basic necessity for any kind of skincare routine is to understand your skin. Knowing issues with your skin and your skin type helps a lot in determining which products will suit your skin, and the products that I'll be showing you today, they also suit a lot of different skin types. Firstly, we'll be starting off with the body wash, and this is this one. One of the best body washes, I would say, because it's so mild and gentle for your skin. This particular body wash has two ingredients which I love, is shea butter and vitamin E. Now shea butter is of course an ingredient that we all know and love, especially if you have a lot of dry skin, flaky skin like mine here. These parts were completely black because it was so dry and patchy, but thankfully this body wash helped me out because shea butter provides a lot of hydration and nourishment and moisturization to your skin in a very natural manner. Vitamin E is an essential ingredient in a lot of different skincare products because vitamin E is basically a natural antioxidant, as well as it helps your skin from any kind of UV damage. It also supports the immune system of your skin, helps in cell functioning. So I think these are benefits we don't really talk about, and thankfully this particular body wash has it all. The best part is that it's sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free, color free, it is cruelty free, as well as gluten free and 100% vegan. Now this one has a very mild fragrance. The fragrance is mainly floral since the lavender fragrance is strong and overpowers everything else. Now when you use it, it kind of foams into like a thick lather and then you can wash it off, and it doesn't really waste too much water as well. Now the skin after use immediately becomes soft. Also after a few hours your skin is still soft and nourished. I would highly recommend you to try this out. You're getting something very premium at a great range. The link will be down in the description box so you can get your hands on this from the Foxy app. This was all about the body wash. Now the second thing that I use is a body lotion. So I'm very careful about choosing my body lotions these days because my skin needs a lot of hydration and it requires that hydration for a longer period of time. So I prefer using something that is more mild in texture but effective in its use. I prefer this body lotion from the Wow Skin Science as well, and this is their aloe vera body lotion. I have been using it for months actually, even before I started using the body wash, and very honestly this is actually my second packet. I have been obsessed with it since the winter. Aloe vera is one of my favorite ingredients for any skincare. It's a very gentle ingredient and also it is very effective in proving as a great natural hydration. It helps soothe out any kind of sensitive issues that you have. If you have a lot of acne in your face, it helps out with that. If you have any allergies in your body, it helps out in that. And I think during the monsoons, the bigger issues with a lot of people including me is that you get a lot of skin sensitive issues also due to the humidity in the air. These kind of things are very common. So I think while using a good body lotion, you need to be careful about which one you're using. Anything having toxic chemicals can be really harmful and can actually enlarge that problem rather than reducing it. So this one from Wow Skin Science is really effective in dealing with our body issues. No parabens, sulfate, mineral oil or color of any kind. This one is also 100% vegan, gluten free and cruelty free product. Now the aloe vera works for different things. It works as an anti-aging hydrator, as a good moisturizer for your skin, as an anti-aging healer, as well as makes your skin really smooth and soft. Now this comes in a pump bottle like this, so you just get to like pump a little bit and it's not very runny. immediately your skin starts soaking up and absorbing the lotion, so it doesn't become very oily on your skin. Now, though I have a dry skin, I do not prefer very oily moisturizers or body lotions because they tend to irritate me. You can immediately see the effect between two of my hands. This one doesn't have any lotion, while this one has. This body lotion makes it really soft and hydrated without any kind of excess oil on your skin, which I like. It actually works great for oily skin as well. This product has a mild aloe vera fragrance. Overall, this is a body lotion I would highly recommend you guys to at least try once. I apply it 2 times a day after my shower, both the times, and it really helps me keep up the hydration of my skin. I really love this. So guys, with that, we are done with today's video. Hope you really found it helpful and hope I could help you give some kind of idea about the products that I showed. And that's it for today. Please stay healthy, happy and beautiful. Ciao.